Namaste.
Welcome. Welcome to
Today
also
also
Cincai
Cincai
Food
cook.
channel. So anything special for today?
Today we cook called mugen nas.
So translation is infinite or forever and ever. So today's dish is a brinjal, and it's something that you cannot stop eating forever and ever. And this is also one of the side dish series.
Today cooking style is really Cincai, very simple, very easy. So those who never cooked before, maybe you can start from this dish.
And this dish is just using microwave. And Japanese also use quite a lot of microwave to cook their food as well.
So after I come here, sometimes people say microwave is no good for health or this thing, but the Japanese really likes to use microwave. Sometimes you boiling with like vegetable, all this, the nutrition going away to the water, but microwave is like can keep it the nutrition as is. So also good way to cooking style also. So it's today's microwave, really easy and very nice. So please try.
Okay, let's start.
Okay.
ただきます。
いただきます。
美味しい。This brinjal, even use microwave to cook also still very nice. It's not too hard, also it's not soggy at all.
This one called infinite brinjal, right? So Japanese call, actually Japanese direct translation, that is the English, but so we can say that you can eat forever one. So forever can eat this kind of nice thing.
So also the tuna bring out the flavor. Not too salty. And then the brinjal also pretty chewy. So it makes very well the combination of the brinjal and the tuna.
Nice.
Okay. Thank you for watching.
ありがとう。
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. 谢谢你。